And welcome back to our channel. Well, today I'm going to be talking about adding to our preps, which I have done. My husband and I have been discussing some things, and what we discussed was when SHTF happens, okay, and we can't buy bottled water, and we can't, like, especially like right now, because we are in Tampa and hurricane season is upon us. We can't get bottled water, okay? What if that happens? Well, this is what we bought. I got this at Target's, okay? This was, I believe, $22, and it came with one filter, and then this was right next to it. This is two filters. This was $19.95. So we put this on, and there's a little switch here in the back, and that gives you filtered water. And to be honest with you, it tastes really much better than bottled water does. So I felt that this was a really good investment for Sean and I to make, okay? It reduces chlorine, removes mercury, pesticides, lead, okay? So we're happy with this purchase. Other preps that we added 8 boxes of stuffing, 5 of the large boxes of mashed potatoes here. Okay, these were $2.42 a piece. And we got 5 boxes. These were 84 cents a piece. We got 8 boxes of these. Quick Oats. I believe those were $2.52, $2.72, something like that. We got 4 of those. And if you look in the cabinet above, we got 30 pounds of rice. There's 3 bags of cereal up there, and then there's another bag of cereal. All in all, in our preps that we added, it was $68.52, with the exception of the water filtration system. But that cost, I think, is going to help us with bringing our costs down on water. I have been buying our water at Rural King for $1.68 a case. But in the event that we can't get our hands on bottled water, which we never know when a hurricane's going to pop up around here, this is going to save us a lot of money in the long run with buying bottled water constantly. I do save and reuse and recycle my bottles. These I use out in my garden for my potted plants. So, but like bottles like these, I do keep these, and I refill these with water. So like things like that, that's what I'm talking about. Even with the bottled water that we do have, once we drink them, I'm going to have to do like some research, because I don't know about refilling and reusing, because I do know that, you know, their chemicals can be emitted from the plastic bottles after a while. How long after a while, I don't know. I'm going to have to do my homework on that. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on what preps we have added to our working prepper pantry. Because that's exactly what this is. I wasn't exactly sure what kind of a prepper pantry we have, but that's exactly what it is. It's a working prepper pantry. Because unfortunately, we are not fortunate enough to have, you know, an extra pantry and a lot of room yet to have a lot of room to stockpile and things like that. Yes, we have a garage, but I don't want to be storing food out there. It is climate controlled to a certain extent, but you know, to plug in the AC unit and leave it running out there, listen, that's really going to amp up my electric bill, and I hate to do that. I really do, because we like to be cost efficient around here. But we do have the front bedroom, which is not being used for anything other than the cat bedroom, which is where we keep all of our pet supplies. But the cats go in there. That's where they have their litter boxes and their toys and stuff like that. The cat food, the cat water, the water dispensers and things like that. And all of the pet supplies are in there. I don't know if I want to be using the closet that's in there as another prepper pantry. Maybe I can, I don't know. But I just wanted to, you know, show you guys what we have added to our working prepper pantry. This is, I like the way this is working. I honestly, I'm so glad that Sean and I are here in this situation, in this moment, that we are able to finally do this. I really am. And this is making me happy. So anyway, I'm going to be, hopefully the rain holds out just a little while today, because I'd really like to go out and play in my garden today. I want to put my hands in dirt today. I really do. I hate being inside the house because it's been raining for like a week straight here, and I have not been able to get out in my garden, and it's really driving me crazy. So I want to work on my compost pile today and get some more seeds in the ground. But anyway, thank you for being here. If you're new here, please subscribe. We would totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys. Thank you. Just thank you. I cannot thank you enough. I really can't. Okay. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one.